Now Niese, who had his best offensive season last year, and he pokes one over the glove of Ransom, and in comes Tejada. It's 2-0 New York. Yeah, that's ball 4, and Niese is on with a 4-pitch walk. Third one given up by Volquez.
They've got some good athletes, so what's going to help is having a full season of Harvey. I know you're missing R.A. Dickey, but Harvey's by far the best hitter on that staff.
That's a good point, and Niese keeps that 1,000 on base percentage going. He's 2 for 2 on the afternoon.